Hello everyone, I have a 3D scene here and there is a 3D object and it has a click detector script. I can click this object and it will call a command like this, showing some UI elements, and I will show you the script that I have attached to this game object. This is the script. On mouse down and blah blah blah, and here is what I'm going to share with you. You probably have this problem too. If you have some UI element like this, if you click some area here, the 3D object detected the click event and it should not happen. I have this UI element. If I click this UI element, it should not trigger the click this 3D object. So what to do so it can ignore the click on UI element? You can add these few lines of code here. I will share the link in the description of this video. You just need this if statement to be added to your existing script. Add it here and don't forget to add the directive using unitengine.eventsystems here. And let's go back to the Unity editor. Let me stop it and play it again. Okay, now we can click this object as usual and it will trigger the click on this 3D object. But if you have this UI element, now it will not trigger the click anymore. So if you have this problem, the solution is just this few lines of code, the directive and the if statement. Alright, that's all for this video. I hope you like it and bye bye.